control, Summer. You are all sharp edges and hunger. With every desperate moan that spills from your lips, you lacerate the fabric of propriety. Does your heart sing at the wreckage you leave behind? Do you drink of the tears that fall in your wake? Did you feel the sting of isolation in the heart of his lover? Did your mind hesitate for even a moment as you felt the exquisite ache of dear Christopher after he seized you in his strong hands? The splinter in your mind of the good Summer whispers to you. The kind Summer says that it is wrong, but the ache is so delicious.
I admit, I do love it.
Incorrect. You are reckless. You need control.
I need it. I need you to control me.
Beg.
Please. Katerina, please. I don't know what I am doing. I didn't think.
Is that so?
We probably shouldn't do that kind of thing.
And why not?
Shouldn't do what? Talk on the phone?
Because you wanted to fuck him. You wanted to feel him inside.
Chris? Say it. What was I doing? Go on. I want you to say it. Christopher.
You wallow in filth, betraying everyone around you. They will never forgive you. If you seek forgiveness, then bare your throat. Slave.
Why show up here after all of this time? Why not just go home to Ecclesia?
When I returned after my exile, the queen was no longer in the kingdom.
But why here? Why in this city? She could be anywhere.
This is where you are, Lapuchka. She is looking for you.
This demon queen would come all the way to Dusklight for Birdie?
You don't think I would know if Julia was here? Come on, Striga.
Clearly not, considering I witnessed her in the flesh last night.
Julia is here in Dusklight? Bullshit. Why should I believe you?
It's true. She was dancing.
Okay, that's bad.
Dancing? Like in a club or what?
She was getting cozy with some girl.
Okay.
You don't have any food here, do you? Meat or something bloody? I'm hungry.
Wait, what did you just say? Birdie. There was a woman I met on the street months ago. She showed up again in the diner with Summer and I before, she said her name was Katerina. She encouraged Summer and I to do it.
I'm Katerina. You are a bold little thing, my dear.
I don't know who you are, but you are fucking hot.
You both reek of sexual desire for each other. It is written all over you. You fumble around the obvious truth, flailing like marionettes severed from their cords. Do you deny this?
Oh, shit.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Be my guest, though you might want to skip the beef skewers. They overcooked the hell out of them.
I've always preferred my meat to be a little bloody. I'm Julia, by the way.
Julia? What did she say to you, Chris?
I lost the heart of someone I cared for deeply to another. I have pondered where I went wrong for ages.
Strika, that girl at the club with Julia, what did she look like?
Black leather, red hair, more orange really, pretty blue eyes. They moved to the private area where I observed the girl having sexual relations with a man on the floor. She was quite enthusiastic.
She was what? Oh my God, Summer, no. Birdie, this is bad.
Fuck, this is not happening. This is not.
So this Summer is the companion that the rumors have been whispering about. It seems Lady Julia has sunk her hooks in deeply.
Come on, man. God damn it.
on your knees.
As you wish, Katerina.
You looked a little lost for a moment there. Tell me, what were you thinking about?
I was thinking about my mother. How much I miss her. Her smile and her voice.
Oh, she is no longer with us. A medical complication, I presume.
No, it wasn't that. She was killed. Murdered.
And the perpetrator of this violence was?
It was me. I killed her. But it wasn't my fault.
Your mother met her end by your hand.
I was possessed by a demon. But you'll never believe me.
An absolutely disgraceful excuse for that summer.
She made me do it with my own hands. She laughed.
You felt her pulse flutter and stop.
I did. I deserve to die for that. Mom, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Murdering whore. You were never worthy of a man like Christopher. This is where you belong. At my feet, groveling like a beast.
The princess give me shirt is very comfortable, da?
Yeah, you look a lot less torturer-y. Sorry, that was rude.
It's okay. I do not hide what I was. I have done terrible things.
Yeah, well, that makes two of us. Mine was just a lot less terrifying.
That girl, Summer, you slept with her, didn't you? The forbidden fruit was too sweet.
You don't miss much, do you? 4,000 years of making people talk. Yeah, I did. I slept with her like an idiot.
You feel guilt over Summer and Lady Julia is understandable.
If something bad has happened to Summer, I'll never forgive myself.
Put your faith in the princess. She will know what to do.
Yeah, I've seen her power. Pretty scary when she's mad. So, can I ask you why you want to defect? Why come to Birdie on your knees, begging for mercy? You were loyal to this Julia for thousands of years. What changed?
My mission changed. I was turned against my own instead of our enemies.
An interrogator turned against your own, like loyalty tests or something?
Precisely. I was to test the loyalty of the conscripted soldiers.
I'm sure you made a lot of friends that way, huh? So what happened?
I did as I was ordered. That is, until a certain young recruit was brought in. Guards.
Почему ты это делаешь?
Брат?
Сестра, я не ожидал, что этот день наступит. Жестокая судьба.
Почему ты в моей комнате, младший брат? Это должно быть какая-то ошибка.
Я уже признался. Я больше не хочу служить королеве. Она лжива и жестока.
Нет, пожалуйста, нет. Брат, ты не можешь так поступать. Наказание за предательство.
The penalty for treason is death. Striga, you are well aware of this.
Well, well. Now isn't this a surprise? What's the matter, Striga? Heavy is the hand that wields the scalpel?
My lady, he does not know what he's saying.
Your loyalty was absolute when you almost beat the life out of me, Striga.
Come now. Did you not think you would be tested
записывай мне слов, сестра. Я не буду проливать больше крови ради нее. Я готов умереть.
No! Please, he's all I have. Please don't take him away.
2,000 years of exile, and you leave with nothing.
I love you, brother. Please forgive me. I failed you. I will bring honor to your name. I will try to be a better person for you.
I'm sorry about your brother, Striga. Nobody should have to see that. Man.
I deserve to die for who I was. My brother did not. He was better than I.
I didn't know that you and Birdie had such a violent history together.
She cares for no one. It is the nature of someone like Lady Julia to be uncompromising.
You both have a lot of blood on your hands. Shitty situation all around.
I didn't wish for him to die.
You were the princess. You couldn't have just said no?
Telling Julia no is like telling time to stop moving. You just can't.
She is right, Christopher. Her word is law, immutable. I can't undo the things I have done. But if I can help you get your summer back, I will. I owe it to my little brother to try.
We know who Summer is with. It shouldn't be hard to find her, right?
If Julia doesn't want to be found, she won't be.
Who is that?
Ведьма Агония. Кассандра. Что это значит? Возможно, это тот день, когда я присоединюсь к тебе, маленький брат.
Okay. Hey, why not two strange women? Birdie, who are these people, man?
Oh shit. Oh shit.
It was you, wasn't it? You took my baby's innocence away, Cassandra, and my life.
I suppose saying I'm sorry isn't really going to cut it, huh? A lot has changed, Anna. With me, with Summer. Let's talk, okay?
Go ahead, Cassandra. I'm listening.